Parents' Choice Diapers, size 7, count 78, pack of by Parents' Choice is one of the best baby diaper disposal bags products. Keep your little one comfortable with Parents' Choice Diapers. These baby diapers are breathable and help keep your child's skin dry, and they offer an all-around snug and comfy fit. The printed designs on the diaper fade when wet, so you know exactly when it is time for a change. Parents' Choice Diapers are ultra-absorbent for leakage protection anytime and offer up to 12 hours of protection. This box comes with 78 diapers, making it easy to stock up. They are ideal for little ones in stage 7, 41 plus lbs. These diapers are also hypoallergenic, perfume and latex-free. Have confidence when taking care of your toddler with Parents' Choice Diapers. Since 1998, Walmart's Parents' Choice has been trusted by parents across the country to provide quality, affordable baby products. The manufacturer offers a wide range of products including diapers, wipes, toiletries, baby food, formula and baby feeding products. With a quality guarantee to back up all its baby, toddler, infant and newborn products, Parents' Choice takes care of your little one's needs for less.